Hello, good morning everyone. Today we're starting our new lesson, the life cycle of animals. Now students, here I am sending video, the purpose behind it that you can revise and study again and again. If not understood, then you can easily revise the concept. Now what the lesson tells us, the life cycle of animals. Life cycle means what? Every living being reproduces itself. It may be human being, it may be cat, it may be dog, it may be plant. Okay, means reproduction. Producing like ourselves. Now, here in this picture, we can see dog with its puppies. Dog with its puppies. And here is a butterfly, and the previous stage of butterfly is caterpillar. Understood? Means butterfly is the grown up stage, and before that it is caterpillar. It is known as caterpillar. Now when dog is giving birth, after birth we can see the puppies. Okay, when human being giving birth, you can see the baby. After a birth, have you ever seen a small baby at your home or at your neighbor's home or at your relative's home? Okay, you know babies. Now I will read these lines. Just listen carefully. Look at the puppies and their mother in the picture. Do you see some similarities? Yes, we can see the similarities. Puppy looks like a dog, but it is very cute and it is similarly a dog. Look at the butterfly and the caterpillar that has come out of the egg. Have you ever seen the egg of the butterfly? After coming out of that egg, it becomes caterpillar and it starts eating leaves. Okay, it start eating leaves and leaves. So many leaves it is going to be eat, and after eating that leaves it becomes very lazy. इट बिकम्स वेरी लेजी. अब तो बहुत थक गए, अब तो हम सो जाएंगे, ऐसा करके प्यूपा स्टेज में दैट कैटरपिलर इज गोइंग टू रेस्ट. एंड आफ्टर दैट रेस्ट मीन्स फर्स्ट स्टेज विल बी एग, second stage will be caterpillar, and third stage will be pupa. And after coming that pupa, you can see the butterfly. Understood everyone? Look at the butterfly and the caterpillar. Now, can you tell? Here some pictures are there. This is a hen and small chicks around it. Then it is a chick which came out of the egg. And now this is a cat with its cute kitten. Cat with its cute kitten. Young one of the cat is known as kitten. Young one of the dog is known as puppy. These things we are learning from first standard. A hen lay eggs. Eggs are very common. Eggs of hen are very common, and we have seen that eggs already. Means everyone see in daily life. A hen lay eggs. Chicks come out of those eggs. Do kittens come out of eggs? Yes. Do kittens come out of eggs? No. Kittens do not come out of eggs. Kitten is the young one of cat. Do it come out of egg? No. Kitten does not come out of the egg. So, we can write no. We can write here no. Now the growth of the animal. How the growth of the animals is there. A kid and a fully grown goat are not very different to look at. Now see here, a goat is there and its kid. Young one of goat is known as kid. And they doesn't look very different. They doesn't look very different. They look very same. You and your mother, how you look same. Me and my kid look same. Like this cat and kitten look same. This dog and puppy look same. But hen and its egg doesn't look same. After hatching the egg, chicks are coming out. That also look quite different, and afterwards it started to look like the hen. There is not much difference between a kitten and an adult cat. These babies grow in their mother's tummy. Means those look like same, they grow in their mother's tummy. I am grown in my mother's tummy. You grown in your mother's tummy. Like that, this small kid of goat grown in the mother's tummy. These baby grow in their mother's tummy and are born from the mother's tummy too. Means they are taking birth from mother's tummy. These animals do not lay eggs. Goat, cat and dog, these animals do not lay eggs. But some animals like crows, spiders, lizards, snake, they lay eggs. Understood? Now, a chicken is born from an egg. A chicken, now these are the eggs of hen, and easily we can identify also, easily we can see also. Ants, butterflies, fish, frogs, snakes are all animals that lay eggs, but we do not often see their eggs. Have you ever seen egg of ant, egg of butterfly or fish, frogs? Have you ever seen? No. Easily these eggs are not seen by us, but egg of hen we can see easily. Means at very a place, means they lay eggs where easily human being cannot reach to touch that eggs. These butterflies, frogs, snake, fish. Fish is aquatic animal, so means it is not possible to see that egg of fish. Means if you want to observe the life cycle of fish, then you have to place that fish in aquarium and then you can see the process of that reproduction. But easily it is not available for us to see that egg or reproduction system of fish. The eggs of some very small animals are very tiny. Means of very small animals are very tiny. आता मुंगी किती लहान असते, so its egg is also very tiny. Lizard is also small, that's why its egg is also tiny. We would hardly notice them. We would hardly notice them. So we do not come to know that these animals lay eggs. But we know for sure that a hen lay eggs. Her eggs are big enough to be easily seen. Now here hatching is a new term. One word, that is hatch. What is this? Hatch. When a hen sits on her eggs to warm them, she is said to be hatching her eggs. What do you mean by hatching? कभी आपने देखा है अंडों के ऊपर hen बैठी है ऐसे इस तरह से, So why it is sitting on that eggs? To keep warm. To keep warm that eggs, hen is sitting on the egg, and because of that warmness, eggs are getting to be hatched. Look at this picture. This chicken is coming. This small chick is coming out of the egg. This process of coming out of the egg by breaking the egg, that small life is coming out of the egg, is known as hatching. When a hen sits on her eggs to warm them, she is said to be hatching her eggs. हॅचिंग म्हणजे काय? मराठीमध्ये अंडी उबवण्याचा प्रकार. मीन्स अंडी उबवत आहे. इन द सेन्स when a hen sits on her eggs to warm them, and because of that warmness, that small life is coming out of this egg. After cracking this egg, this chick or chicken is coming out of the egg. A hen lay eggs. Warmth is necessary for the chicks to grow inside the egg. So after laying them, the hen sits on the eggs to keep them warm. Hen sits on the eggs to keep them warm. The chicks inside slowly keep growing inside. Now in a tummy of mother, how that baby is growing slowly because of that warmness. In the tummy of the mother. Like that, this hen is keeping warm these eggs, and so that because of that warmness, this chick is growing inside the egg, and after the correct time, when correct time comes, this chick inside slowly come out. When its growth is complete, means correct time comes, the chick breaks the eggshell and comes out. The hen looks after its chicks till they grow a little bigger. Now when this chick is very small, this hen does not leave the chicks. It look after its chicks till they grow a little bigger. Understood everyone? Yes, you can rewind the video again if you do not understand, and if any problem regarding this concept of hatching or what is life cycle, you can ask me in the Zoom meeting. Understood everyone? So what is life cycle? Life cycle of animals means giving birth to the small one. Now it may be in terms of eggs, or as it is the duplicate copy of us. Few animals lay eggs and few animals give birth to their young ones. Okay? Read the lesson once again. Bye.